papa, Paolo, qui voit son fiston aller chercher une deuxième victoire sous les yeux de son patron, encouragé par sa fille, Mathilde. Et la deuxième place derrière Miller ou Morbidelli. Coup de chapeau à Jack Miller et à tout le team Tech 3. Morbidelli. Paul Espargaro de Visioso, il termine en MotoGP ici. Quartararo 14 et Alex Rins 15e. Et donc aussi dans les points. Comme je vous le disais, on va malheureusement déjà lancer une petite page de publicité avant de revenir pour une conclusion rapide sur RTS2 avant de laisser la place au football. Mais alors, coup de chapeau à Miguel Oliveira qui s'impose devant Jack Miller et Franco Morbidelli. On se retrouve dans une petite minute sur RTS2. À tout de suite.
You were untouchable. Jack said he couldn't believe your early pace. What does it feel like to dominate your home GP?
It's unreal, you know. You dream about these kind of races, you know, and to finally be able to do it, it's incredible. I have no words to describe just my gratitude to all the people, to all of the crowd watching at home that could not be here today. To them, I thank you. To my team, which is the farewell to Tech 3. But it's a great day. I could give this victory again for Tech 3 and for KTM is a huge accomplishment for me. It's extra special because my family didn't got to see live my first win, and now they get to see it live. So they are here, and it's an incredible day for me. Very emotional, and just glad to finish the season in a high and with such a strong performance like today.
Huge congratulations, Miguel.
Thank you.